Good morning everyone. We are the students of Contemporary School. Today we are making a video for Viksit Bharat. Our themes on sustainable agriculture and smart farming. Agriculture is the backbone of our country, but it relies on farmers. Farmers are facing many problems like water shortage, changing climate, and overuse of fertilizers.
So here you can see the field. So this is the soil sensor that you can see. So whenever you keep the soil sensor in dry soil, we can see that the motor is on, which means the dry soil needs water. So that's what the motor is supplying water. But when you keep the soil sensor in wet soil, you can see that the motor it turns off automatically, which means that wet soil has correct amount of moisture level in it, so it does not need any extra water. And here you can see we arranged a coco-pit bed. So whenever the field has excess water in it, the coco-pit bed will be absorbing the excess water, which makes the field flood resistant. And here you can see ultrasonic sensor and touch sensor. So whenever anyone tries to come into the field, it will be alerting the farmer with a buzzer. And here you can see the storage unit where farmers will be storing crops after harvesting. And here you can see the LCD screen where it will be displaying temperature, humidity, soil moisture and tank level. Apart from this, we also have hydroponics, where if farmers have less space and they want to grow plants in water, they can use this hydroponics method. And beside this, we have pollination, where the honeybees will be enriching the field more, and farmers can also extract chemical-free honey. And here we have solar powerhouse, which is arranged with the solar panel. So the solar panel will be observing the sun rays and it will be producing solar power. And here we have the biogas. The waste that we are getting from the cattle shed is converted into biogas to produce methane and carbon dioxide to use instead of LPG gas in our homes. And this is biocompost. So it is made from kitchen waste and organic waste. So through this model, we want to spread the message that future of farming lies in
Sustainability
and innovation. Thank you for listening and supporting our vision of green and self-reliant India. Viksit Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.